Cover now.
Crap.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If a tornado or other severe weather is spotted, contact the National Weather Service or your nearest law enforcement agency who will relay your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. This act may save the lives of others in the path of dangerous weather. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Lee, and Randolph.
Maybe we got another one.
At 2:51 p.m. at the Raleigh-Durham Airport, the temperature was 72 degrees.
Try to get another one.
The forecast for rest of today: showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and tornadoes. Windy and much warmer. Near steady temperature in the upper 60s. South winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazard station WXL 58.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for western Chatham County, northwestern Moore County, northwestern Lee County, southeastern Randolph County until 4 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 9 miles northeast of Bisco, or 13 miles southeast of North Carolina Zoo, and moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sanford, Siler City, Goldston, Sea Grove, Robbins, Gum Springs, Harper's Crossroads, Cumnock, High Falls, and Hasty. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Lee, Moore, and Randolph.
This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This test is being conducted in conjunction with the North Carolina Tornado Drill. This drill is conducted annually to allow schools, businesses, emergency managers, and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. This practice tornado drill will remain in effect until 10:30 a.m. EST. There will be no follow-up statements issued. Schools and businesses participating in the tornado drill should exercise their severe weather safety plans now. This test also serves as the emergency alert system required monthly test for March. Broadcasters, in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities, have developed this system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the statewide tornado drill and the test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Nash County, Franklin County, south central Warren County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 58 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lewisburg and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lewisburg, Button, Spring Hope, Castalia, Centerville, and Ingleside. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Nash, and Warren.
Another one! Another one! Right, another one! Right here! Another severe thunderstorm warning. See if this in Durham. Another one.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Franklin County, southern Vance County, southeastern Granville County, northeastern Wake County until 8:45 p.m.
It's not in Durham.
At 7:53 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 58 miles per hour. This storm was located near Wake Forest, or 7 miles southeast of Creedmoor, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. A second severe storm was located just west of Kittrell. Locations impacted include Henderson, Lewisburg, Wake Forest, Franklinton,
Henderson,
Kittrell, Roseville, Youngsville, South Henderson, Purnell, and Gilbert. Severe
Henderson
thunderstorms produce
County.
damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning,
Oh,
and
it's
very
not
heavy
Henderson
rain.
County. Haha.
Protection. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.
This is just
This
is crap.
Where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Granville, Vance, and Wake. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until